Hey everyone, welcome to Immich, a software that lets us store our photos through video and photo storage, alright? It solves a common problem many of us face, our Google Photos filling up unexpectedly. With Immich, we can have our own storage space for photos, you know? It could be a server or a computer where we save photos and access them from our phones, got it? The storage capacity, of course, depends on the device we use. As you can see, it's available on Google Play, App Store, and GitHub. It's got a 4.9 star rating, so it must be a pretty solid tool. There's a 4.7 rating with 11 reviews on the App Store, and here's the GitHub page, okay? They also tell us about the versions, what each version offers, the positives of such a tool, and why we'd use it, right? Let's dive into the review. Wow. First, we need to click Get Started, okay? Here we have some basic information, and we'll go to install to see the requirements, alright? Linux is recommended, but Windows works too. Minimum RAM is just 4 GB, which isn't much for a computer. CPU needs 2 cores, that's it. Most computers have this, right? So we're just going to store the script, okay? Here's a brief introduction. To access this, I went to the documents section, I think. Yes, documents in here, okay? So what are the benefits of using a tool like this? Well, first of all, our images will be uploaded directly to our storage, okay? Automatically from our mobile phones, got it? We'll have a much larger photo storage, better organization, and won't rely on the cloud. That's key. We won't need an internet connection to access our images or local network, right? We'll depend on our own system, not external servers, and we'll gain a lot more privacy, okay? A whole lot more privacy. For instance, let's say you have a Google account, right? And for some reason you lose access to it. Someone hacks it and suddenly they have access to all your photos. With your own server you could just shut it down or revoke access. It's like having a double wall, you know, so to speak. So these are the advantages of Immich. I recommend you try these kinds of tools, okay? Especially if you take lots of photos or you're a photographer needing more storage. Getting a small server isn't a bad idea, honestly. So keep that in mind and I'll see you in future videos.